Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna break out the brand new Gozney Roccbox. Now, I'll tell you what, when you buy this pizza oven, you're gonna get everything with it that you need to get up and running. And we're gonna show you how to get up and running today. Get this all set up. We're gonna show you how to light the fires and get 100% pizza ready. All right, we got both boxes opened. We have our gas adapter and we have our beautiful olive green Roccbox. Now, Roccbox comes with a beautiful pizza peel, comes with some instructions, a little bit of inspiration, like some pizza recipes as well. Comes with some instructions on how to set it up and all of that, but we'll push those to the side. Also comes with a keychain as well. Now, we've got the tools in front of us, so let's come in a little bit closer. We're gonna show you how to set up the gas adapter. Now, at first glance, one of the things I notice is that pizza stone is gonna be built into the oven. Super easy. You don't have to worry about that falling out. And then, hey, check this out right here. On the side, we even have a thermometer that is going to give you the pizza deck temperature, or the slate temperature, if you will. That is super, super helpful. So let's get this guy flipped over. Let's get that gas adapter added next. Now, first things first, we need to go ahead and get the gas adapter added. So very carefully, I'm gonna tip that guy right up like that. And as you can see, I have the connection port, if you will, of where we're gonna add this. So come on in, let's zoom in nice and close, show you how that all goes into place. Now, first thing to remember is, here is my gas adapter. See the knob? I need the knob to be facing the back of here. So what we'll do is we have 3 little holes to line up. Make sure we get those all lined up properly. Make sure they're all in. And then we are going to snug it down nice and tight like so. Now, while we have it upside down, tell you what, time to flip out those leg extensions as well. That'll give us room for the gas adapter. So we've got 1, 2, and come here, number 3, done. All right, now time to hook it up to our tank. Here is our regulator valve, so carefully, we'll go ahead and connect that. Make sure we have a firm connection like so. Now, tip for you, make sure when you open your propane tank, you open it slowly. Occasionally, if you open it too fast, the regulators will sense there's a leak. You'll shut that regulator off and it won't allow any gas to flow. So we'll open it nice and slow, just like that. And that's it. That's how you make the gas connection. All right, before we head outside to fire this up, I wanted to introduce you to this beautiful silicone exterior. Now, the great thing about this is that is gonna help keep this surface less hot, right? Obviously, you're not gonna wanna lean up against this, but it's not gonna be as hot as if this was a metal exterior. So that silicone is gonna help keep it insulated, keeping you a little bit safer and making this a little bit more user-friendly. Now, we'll go ahead and add on the carry strap. We'll head outside. All right, now before we cook for the very first time or fire it up for the very first time, we need to take off the Velcro carrying strap and remove all of the warning stickers. Now, ready to rock and roll? All right, so we turned on the tank. We are good to go. Now it is time to push in this knob, click it, and we can hear ignition. We will verify the front, make sure the flames are good. Now it is time to track our temperature, let that stone heat up before we get ready to cook some pizza. All right, using our infrared thermometer, we checked temperature at 635 degrees. Pizza making time. I'll tell you what, I'm excited. Another great option for making pizza in your backyard, turning you into that backyard pizziola. Now, we showed you how to start the oven. Stay tuned because my next video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your very first pizza. That's right, pepperoni pizza.